He's stacked.
Green stack just inside spoon.
Oh, weird. Okay, what? Oh, you for his food? Sure. Teach him a lesson.
Well, damn, he got me. That
You
nigger.
feel bad about this, or you yell at him? Yell at him. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Nothing in here but the wood, and I'm taking it. Roll. Word. Oh god. Nothing, I just took the 6 pieces of wood. I don't know. What's in this house here? Is this player made or no? Yeah, it doesn't look like it.
The house on the road.
Yeah. The barn.